your fear for ultimate expansion. Find a comfortable position, either laying down or sitting. Enjoy a long, slow, deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Enjoying a long, slow, deep breath in and feel your stomach and chest expand. And breathe out. Continue to breathe, and with each breath, feeling yourself relax more and more. Feel your feet elegantly fall to the side and notice the air against your skin. Your tongue resting on your gum as your jaw relaxes. Imagine a central cord of light leaving you and traveling down into the core of Mother Earth. Anchor that energy as you enjoy the infinite light and energy traveling seamlessly between you and Mother Earth. Feel that cord travel up through your feet as it brings light, love, grounding, and life up through your feet into your legs as it travels through your cellular structure, as it brings you prana, chi, life into your vessels, pumping this light force throughout your entire body. See it travel seamlessly and radiantly up into your chakras. Feel it travel into your higher chakras. Feel your crown chakra open up. And see this light go up into the divine and past the central sun. Enjoy the warmth of the sun as the light travels past the sun and into the galaxy, knowing that you are always divinely supported. Feel the warmth of the sun and bring it down into your body. Feel the warmth as it warms your body. Feel it circulate throughout your body, through your crown, down your throat, as it warms up your vocal cords, allowing you to speak your truth freely and with love. Down into your chest as your heart pulses and enjoys this radiant warmth of healing light. Down into your body's core as it radiates warmth and light, as it lights up and spreads this yummy warmth throughout your root chakra, down into your legs as it circulates warm energy. See this light and warmth. Scan your body for any aches, pains, or tenderness. Send the warmth and light to that place. Feel the pain and welcome it into your body. Apply the warmth and allow it to get warmer and warmer until you feel a loving, accepting, welcoming heat. Breathe into this. As you feel and enjoy this heat on the pain point, what would you like to say? What is this pain trying to tell you? Feel into it. When you have your message, thank the pain and send it warm, loving light. Now send that warm light into your mind and feel into your fear. What is it? Feel it, allow it to come. Don't judge or think about it, just accept it and welcome it. This fear isn't a bad thing. Don't let it make you feel sad or mad about it. It is your comforting friend that wants to keep you safe. Send a beautiful, warm love light from the sun into this fear. And know that every time you feel a fear, you are on the verge of a breakthrough, a new beginning, and something amazing. The quicker you accept this fear, the faster it will leave. The more you resist the fear, the more pain you will feel. Send this fear love and warmth. And ask this fear, what does it want to tell you? What is it trying to say? What message does it have for you? Feel into this fear. Let the message come. It is so beautiful to know that you are always divinely supported. You are a born leader, a free spirit, pure love. It's your birthright to be abundant in every way. You are a transformational leader, a person of influence who is touching the lives of others in a meaningful way. Feeling this divine, spirited light in your heart space. Let your heart space be your eyes. Feel it grow. And as it leaves you, feel the ripple effect of this light, this love, as it ripples out into the universe, in all that is you. Feel it leave you. Feeling this love and gratitude now for the difference that you are making to the world as you take a safe flight back into your body and feel this new vibration, this new frequency as it fits beautifully and seamlessly into your body, your new DNA. Feel and enjoy the love in your body, your strength, your courage, your authentic voice and stillness, knowing that you are attracting the most amazing people and experiences into your life. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out.